Hello, this is Natasha Fels. I'm giving a review about Seesaw, a Web 2.0 tool that I've used with my second grade class. This tool is very easy to use. It doesn't matter your level of technology proficiency. It's easy for students and teachers. And what it is a digital portfolio for students to capture their learning using several different tools. I'm using a laptop, so I will go to app.seesaw.me. If you're using an iPad or an Android, it is an application. It's easy for you to log in that way. You can just download the app. You have three options for logging in. I'm a teacher, I'm a student, I'm a parent. So I'm going to select the I'm a teacher option. If I don't have an account, I can create an account very quickly. Just takes a few minutes. Then I'll sign in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my account so that you can see what you can do with this program. It's really easy to use. Here I have my class already set up, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new class. How easily that's done. So on the top left you have your settings button, your profile, all of that. So you can scroll down to the bottom where it says new class. We're going to add a new class. It asks you how you want them to sign in, and you can use a class code, which is recommended for young learners, or shared devices. It says that there, or you can use email address or Google account. So we'll go ahead and use a class code. I'm going to title this ETEC class. And I'm going to add myself as a student. I'll select other for the grade, and I'm going to select OK, which is this green circle with the check mark. It sends you an email so that you can get your QR code poster. This is the poster that students are going to use so that they can log in. So here's the email. I've already have it pulled up for you so you can see that. It tells me that my class was created, and here's my code, so I can print that out. This is what it will look like. It gives you instructions just to make sure that you know how to use the code, where to place it in your classroom, options for that. Students will log in as I'm a student. They will scan the code, and they will have access to Seesaw. So we'll check that. We're ready to go to load our class. So here you can see the class is created. One student, myself. And these are the options that you have in the class. You can select up here to get the class code. I would recommend having this up also, so students, if they want to come to the board and use it, they can. Or if the QR codes are being used, you can also display your text code, and they can just type this in if they don't have the QR code. So either way, it works for that. So you can display that yourself on your smart board or whatever you have to project with. The options for the calendar. This is something that's really helpful, lets you know how many items were uploaded each day. That kind of keeps track of that. With the globe, that is for your class blog. I don't have a blog set up right now. I did not set up one for my actual class either. I wanted them to get used to the program itself. The green circle with the check with the plus sign is where you will add items. These are your options for adding. Photo and video, access your camera, so it will enable that so that you can take a photo or video yourself. It does have a camera that's going to be a webcam so they can see themselves as they video. The drawing gives a canvas so that they can draw on. The other option is for them to upload a file. They can choose a file from the computer, or they can drag and drop a file. The note allows them to type a note in there. And then we have the link tool, which if they have the URL address to a link, they can add that in as well. I'm going to give you a time to see an example that's done with my actual class. The assignment that they had was to create a survey question, survey their class, create a tally chart, a bar graph, a pictograph, and 2 questions to go with it. So I'm going to let you hear this as an example.
Today I did a survey of my class for the favorite ice cream and mint chocolate chip bar.
Anytime the students submit an entry, you have to approve it. So that was one of the great safety features that I found and made this site a perfect 3 in all areas of the rubric, which I'll attach. Thank you so much for watching this demonstration. You can find more information at web.seesaw.me in the Teacher's Resource Tool.